What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at how you can pair your iPhone 12 with your Apple Watch. So what you want to do first is open up the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Done one of two ways. You can either find it on your home screen or you can pull it up in the app library. Just simply go to W in the app library and you'll be able to find your Apple Watch app. From here, you'll want to hit the Start Pairing button at the bottom of the screen. You can choose here if you want to set the Apple Watch up for yourself or for a family member. And then it will use the camera of the iPhone to find and pair the app. You'll want to put on your Apple Watch and then you'll want to align the watch app on your phone using the camera with your watch using the square outline on the phone. After it pairs, you'll be able to set up your Apple Watch using the watch app on your iPhone. Here you can choose which wrist you wear your Apple Watch on. And of course go through Apple's terms and conditions. And then it may take a few moments for the iPhone and your Apple Watch to sign each other in. After it's signed in, you can enable route tracking, which allows your Apple Watch workouts to use your location to track your routes and local weather patterns for outdoor workouts. This can be turned on or off. And you can also disable or enable watch analytics. And also share some of the settings on your Apple Watch that are used on your iPhone. Once you go through these initial settings, you change the default text size on your Apple Watch. I like to keep it just above the middle. And you can set up a passcode if you please. I personally don't like having a passcode on my Apple Watch as it really is somewhat of an inconvenience. Next, you'll be prompted whether or not you want automatic updates. I like to keep my Apple Watch up to date, so I always select install updates manually. And you also get the notification for emergency SOS, which involves pressing and holding the side buttons of your Apple Watch to enable emergency SOS. From here, you can install the apps that you have on your phone on your Apple Watch. You can select install all or choose later. And then the Apple Watch will start syncing its data and apps with your iPhone. This may take a few moments depending on the amount of apps and data that you're syncing. There's a display readout on your Apple Watch so you can see just how long this is taking and the progress made on this thus far. After it's done syncing, congratulations, you're ready to use your Apple Watch paired to your iPhone 12. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.